Hey there, Mr. Frog. Have you seen any birds around here?
If humans maintain this unsustainable consumption of water in the United States of America, then the wetlands will be completely destroyed by the year 2020.
Well, I have absolutely no idea what he is talking about. We better get out of here.
Run.
No birds down here. No birds out here.
Hey, where's Ranger Bill anyways?
Hey, Ranger Inc. I'm up here.
Hey!
Birds up here.
How'd you get up there?
Hey, climb.
You should probably get down.
I can't. I'm stuck. Well, looky here, guys. What we found. We didn't find any birds, but we found a caterpillar. That's pretty cool.
You can't fight the friction, so